My snoring was so bad that it really ripped my family apart.
Wow.
Damn.
And led to divorce.
Is that bad?
You
Dude,
said it ripped my family apart.
I went through divorce.
Because of your snoring.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
No way.
But you not.
Yo.
Let me explain why.
Hey, they leave us for anything.
Now, here's the kicker.
Right.
It creates a snowball effect. So you snore, kicks your wife out of the room, kicks your girlfriend out of the room, or you. Now she wakes up, or she doesn't sleep at all, and she resents you. That builds up. Snowballs into so many other things.
Wow.
So that's why, yes, snoring is a catalyst for it, which then turns into all these other things.